How do you make your videos be what they are? How do you make your videos interesting?
I think, especially for somebody starting out, keep these three things in mind. First is the technical. So make sure we're not talking like have a certain kind of phone, just have a decent camera. Like that's not lagging everywhere. So camera quality, good lighting. We're not talking ring light. Don't go out and buy anything. I don't have a ring light. The sun, that's all I have. So technically have those camera, lighting. Do you like have fun, be authentic. If you can, show us something we haven't seen because we are going to see many videos.
Yeah.
Show us something new. That's
Some
ideal.
Originality.
Original. Do you? Yeah, they're all linked.
Okay. And how do you make your TikTok account pop?
How to make your TikTok pop overall. So first thing is find your voice. You know, you're gonna have followers. Your videos can be different. It's not like Instagram where you have to find a niche and do all that. No, you can do different things, but just find something that's authentically you. Then be consistent. We're talking, some people say 3 videos a day, but just do whatever feels natural for you. Be consistent.
Feels a bit much.
3 is a lot. 3 is a lot. So just do whatever is possible for you, especially if you have a job and a life. Okay. Number 3, we're talking community. So these people who are following you, this is your family. You need to engage with them. You need to love them. Go on their pages. It's not about you. It's about you guys. Show them love. Duet their videos. Don't expect people to duet your videos only.
Yeah.
So don't be egocentric in your journey. Exactly.
Yeah?
Then think about collabs. Reach out to people in your peer group, collaborators, creators that you really admire. So reach out to them.
Yeah.
And then we are talking about also sharing outside. So many people, especially these days, are seeing TikTok content everywhere else. So WhatsApp, Instagram.
Yeah.
So make sure you do that. If it's something either you like, a video you like, share that. But even with your own videos, post them somewhere else.
So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do twin transitions. And now before we begin with the tutorial, I'm actually going to put some videos on here so you guys can see how the twin clone transition looks like. Welcome back. I hope you liked those videos, and if you did, stay in this video because I will be showing you how to do that. So the first things that you guys need is of course your phone, and then you guys also need a tripod or a ring light or somewhere steady that you could put your phone and film twice so like the positions don't change. I'm actually gonna show you how to do that. And the third thing that you guys need is an app called VideoStar. So I already filmed the 2 videos for my twin transition, and the only tips that I can give you guys is just put your phone somewhere steady. I use my ring light, so I just put it there and then don't move it until I film the 2 videos. You can actually film it in 1 video, but basically you find a sound which is like, oh, like, hey, we're twins, yes sir, like that's the sound that I'm gonna be using for this video, and I am me, she's she, or whatever it is. So one of you will stand right here and then you'll film the video, and then as soon as the sound is done, like the 15 seconds are done, and you will film it in your camera, not on TikTok, just so you guys know. And then the second time you film your video, you can stop the video and then like restart it, and one of you will be on this side of the screen. So just to show you how that would look, I'm actually going to show you guys from the video that I filmed just like 5 seconds ago. Okay, so here are the videos. This is the first video that I have, which is this one. I go to this side and then film the video. And then this is the second video where I go to the other side of the screen and then film it again, just the whole sound. So I'm gonna press on edit for the first video, and I'm actually gonna trim only to the parts that I need for the video, because you need to like make sure that you trim it right when the sound starts, because it's gonna be easier for you to edit later. Now I'm gonna try to find that beginning of the sound. Okay, I found it. I'm gonna press on done, and then I'm gonna press on save video, and I'm gonna go to the second video now. I'm gonna press on edit. I'm gonna go to the part where I know that I only need that part. Press on done, save video. Now as I have both of my videos starting at the same time, I'm actually going to go to the app called VideoStar. So this is where we start editing the two videos together to make them look like it's two of us. Now I'm gonna press on plus up here, and then press on edit video. I'm gonna press on videos, and then I'm going to choose, let's see, the first video is shorter, no, it's longer than the second one. So I'm gonna use the shorter first because then it's not going to look weird. So I'm gonna use the shorter video first, make video. Now we have the first video and we have to import the second one. So what I did is press on new, press on import video, press on videos, and then I am going to press on the first video because it was longer than the second one. So import. The two videos are imported. I'm gonna press on new, I'm gonna press on multi-layer, I'm gonna press on one, and I'm gonna pick whichever one, and then press on two and pick the second one. Now as we're here, I'm gonna press on, it's already on the second one and it already like gives me choices to pick from. I'm gonna press on add mask. So all I'm gonna do is basically, do you see erase? Yeah, I'm gonna just remove all this part, just like that. Oh, just like that. We're also gonna feather it so it looks a little more natural. If the two videos are not like the same lighting, it's gonna make it like close to same lighting. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna press on done. Okay, see, like in the middle, you can tell that the two lightings are different. So I'm gonna have to feather it more. But other than that, if you guys look at the left in the middle, it's like a little weird. So we're gonna have to go back and fix that part. But other than that, everything else looks great. So I'm just gonna keep doing this. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna feather this part more. Done, and let's see how that will look now. Oh my gosh, wait. That looked perfect, didn't it? Okay, yeah, that looks perfect. I'm gonna press on create because we already got the two videos together. And creating the video. Both of the videos are together now. I'm gonna press on done, and I'm gonna press on the exit, and then I'm gonna press on the save icon, press on send to camera roll because that's easier. And now as we have it on our camera roll, I'm gonna go to TikTok. This is how to upload it and then like match it with the sound. I'm going to press on the plus. Hi, okay. I'm gonna press on upload. I'm gonna press the video that I got. And then I know that the sound is like 12 seconds long, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna just get that, go to sounds, I'm gonna go to more, go to favorites, and this is the favorite sound that I have. And I matched it with the sound. I'm gonna go to sounds, by the way, go to volume, and make sure that my original is at 0 because we don't want like the outside noises on this video. So that's what I did. I'm gonna save it to drafts, and then
Hey guys, so you've seen the demo of the floating body effect, but it's now time to show you guys how to edit it in Final Cut Pro X. The process will be similar in other video editing software though. So there are essentially 3 steps to the process. Step 1, add a freeze frame to the clip you want to add the floating effect to, then place the freeze frame above your original clip. 2, draw the mask. And 3, add keyframes for the floating effect. It's really simple and fun, so let's do it. Let's start off with this clip here where I stretch my arm out. I'm going to bring the playhead to the exact position of where my arm is fully extended. I'm now going to add a freeze frame by pressing down the Alt and F keys. Alternatively, you can go to Edit and then select Add Freeze Frame. Next, click and drag the freeze frame and position it above the original clip, making sure that the ends of both clips are aligned like this. Aligning them is key. We don't want the entire clip, so open up the effects browser, go to Masks and drag Draw Mask onto your freeze frame. Go ahead and add control points around the area of the body you want floating. In my case, it's my arm. I find it best to zoom in to around 200% or more and adjust the view so you can add precise control points. Try to keep them as close as possible because you'll get the best results by doing that. You'll find that it can be quite time consuming drawing the mask, especially when doing it for a large area or the whole body. like I did several times in my video, but the end result was so worth it. Okay, once you're done, go to the inspector and increase or decrease the feather element to make it blend in better, if you want to. You don't have to do this. The third and final step is to add keyframes for the floating effect. Go to the end of the mask clip and add a keyframe. Now go to the beginning of the clip and add another keyframe, but this time move the clip to where you want the movement to begin. I'm going to keep this one simple and bring it in from the left, and that's it. That's one done. Let's play it back. Cool. So if you want multiple body parts at the same time, simply copy and paste your mask clip and adjust the keyframe positioning for each one. Nice and simple. For the rotating effect that I did, simply rotate the body part in the first keyframe as many times as you want it to rotate. I personally think once is enough. And just like that, you've got your very own floating body parts. If there are any parts you don't want moving, simply skip step 3 as you won't need to add any keyframes. I did this here where my trainers don't move as I thought it looked cool with them being still and me effectively stepping into them. Just be sure to adjust the length of the clip on the timeline so it's seamless. Oh, and if you want multiple body parts to appear at the same time, then just stack those clips on top of each other like I've done here. Otherwise the process is basically the same 3 steps each time. Easier than you thought, right? I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and thank you for watching.